Here is a quick tutorial on how to mix gel medium with acrylic paint. Now you can use any type of gel medium. I'm going to use this golden heavy gloss gel, but you can also use matte gel in this method, any type of gel medium in any type of acrylic paint. Specifically, I'm going to be mixing a titanium white from Dick Blick, but you could also use any of the Liquitex Basics paint, Liquitex Heavy Body Paint, as well as Liquitex Soft Body Paint. You can use any type of palette knife. These are a couple of the types that I like to use. I find if I'm mixing small amounts of paint, one with a smaller tip works a little bit better. So I'm going to get out some of the medium. 30% medium, 70% acrylic paint is a good place to start, but you can also mix it at a 50-50 mixture without it becoming too transparent most often. But I like to start with a 30%, 70% mix, and you're just kind of eyeballing it. Then you mix it up really good. Easy as that.